Coming to the chapter GK United Nation. United Nation is a peacekeeping organization which brings peace in the whole world. After Second World War, it was been formed on 24th October 1945 by Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of USA. Before United Nations also there was a League of Nations which was being formed after the First World War. Because of so much destructions of life and property, League of Nations was formed. But when Germany attacked Poland, it was being quiet. And after then, he extended the power towards Russia. And then at that time, League of Nations was unable to control that war. So Second World War happened. After seeing such a big destruction, the US President Franklin D. Roosevelt formed another peacekeeping organization, that is United Nations. It has 5 important organs. Number 1 is General Assembly, number 2 is Secretary Council, number 3 is Secretariat, number 4 is Economic and Social Council, and number 5 is International Court of Justice. Now we are coming to the Economic and Social Council. What we will see that there are many agencies which is added in this council. So here are few agencies and that what agencies we are going to study in this United Nations in your GK chapter. Number 1 is IL. Now coming to once again ILO. ILO means International Labour Organization. International Labour Organization is an organization which see the laws made for the laborers, because we all know that labor is very poor society, and which who are unable to raise their voice against the salaries, against the bad condition of the companies and factories, and so they are under the clutches of many kind of diseases. That's why in this ILO makes law for these laborers. So this is one of the agency that works for the labor. Now coming to UNID. UNIDO means United Nations Industrial Development Organization. As we all know that without industries we are not able to earn money, because industries are very helpful to give us employment, and when there will be the employment we will purchase new things. So to make the country developed, it is necessary that industry should be developed. So after World War II there was very much poverty in the whole world, and the country was unable to form the industries as they had become poor. So UNIDO came for helping those countries to establishing the industries, so that the people should get the employment and come out from the poverty. Moreover, it also promotes the globalization, and it also promotes the economic development and sustainability, that kind of development that should sustain. So such kind of development, if it will happen in all the countries, the whole world will develop. Okay. Now coming to the next one, that is WHO. We all know that World Health Organization. Now World Health Organization look after the public health, as nowadays what the corona has been, we are under the corona COVID-19. So it is the responsibility of WHO to prevent us from the corona pandemic. So WHO takes the responsibility for the public health. It also look after that which disease is spreading very fast and how to control them, what the measures should be taken, or the aid should be given to the country to stop that disease in that country. And now it is the cooperation of WHO that today we are out of polio disease. Okay. Now coming to IAEA, it means International Atomic Energy, International Atomic Energy Agency. Okay, so this organization, it is made for the cooperation in the nuclear energy. Actually, nuclear energy is very harmful. So to have a peaceful contribution between the people in the field of nuclear agencies for the safe and secure and peaceful cooperation of all the countrymen in nuclear technology is what IAEA. ठीक है, तो न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी के प्रमोशंस में एक पीसफुल जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है सबका मिले, इसके लिए IAEA की स्थापना हुई. ठीक है, अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज FAO. FAO मीन्स फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. So Food and Agricultural Organization is responsible for seeing that all the countries are having sufficient food or not for the whole year. If they are not having, so to provide them so that the people or the person should not die because of hunger. Even it look after that how the agriculture is working and what the problems, what the natural disaster took place to the various countries, so that the agriculture is been affected and they will not have enough food this year. So to give a good cooperation to that countries, this FAO is been established. Now coming to the next one. Now coming to UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It means encouragement in the science, education and culture. It means that the contribution of all the countries for best education, best scientific researchers and for a cooperation for the encouragement of their own culture in the world. So this is what UNESCO. Now coming to the next one. So now coming to IMF, International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund facilitate the trade promotion between the countries because it looks over the currencies of each and every country. तो अगर करेंसीज़ के बारे में हमें पता चल जाए और ये पता चल जाए कि किसकी करेंसी बढ़ रही है, किसकी करेंसी घट रही है, तो इससे हम ये जान सकते हैं कि कौन सा देश आगे बढ़ रहा है, कौन सा पीछे हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो जो देश ज़्यादा पीछे होता है उनको लोन्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि ये ज़्यादा अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ बना सके, प्रमोट कर सके और क्या कहते हैं, एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रमोट कर सके ताकि इनका देश डेवलपमेंट कर सके. सो इट प्रोवाइड्स लोन टू द वेरियस कंट्री फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट. Now coming to the last one, that is World Bank. World Bank is also the same what IMF done. A slightly difference is between them because it also promotes loans to other country. It gives loans to other country for the promotion of employment and employment or to reduce the poverty, to stabilize the economy. अगर economy गिर रही है तो उसकी देख रेख करना. इवन एडवाइसेस देती हैं अपनी ओर से, कुछ पॉलिसीज़ भी बताती हैं, उसके लिए अपनी ओर से मेजर्स मतलब अपनी ओर से कुछ ऐसी नीतियाँ बना के देती हैं और कुछ फाइनेंशियल असिस्टमेंट भी मतलब फाइनेंशियल हेल्प भी देती हैं ताकि जो कंट्री है ग्रोथ कर सके. सो दिस वाज योर यूनाइटेड नेशंस.